Bonjour, welcome back. Je m'appelle Herman. My name is Herman. This will be another French grammar lesson on age. Dire son âge. How to tell your age in French. This will be a very short lesson, as you will see. Very short one. First of all, how would you say how old are you in French? We need to know how to say how old are you. You will say, let me change here the color to yellow. You'll say, quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge? Quel âge avez-vous? And I'm being formal by using vous. If you want to ask a friend how old they are, you say quel âge as-tu? So, wow, Herman, no accent here. Quel âge as-tu? Literally, what age have you? Okay, what age have you? But it's how old are you? Quel âge avez-vous? Again, quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu? And you will answer j'ai, I have. In French you use to have. J'ai. Now a number here plus un, which means years. So in my case, j'ai 42 ans. J'ai 42 ans. I have 42 years. I am 42 years old, but in French it will be I have 42 years. Well, that's pretty much it. I think I've already completed the lesson by this point. Elle a 8 ans. Elle a 8 ans. She's 8 years old. Elle a 8 ans. We have avoir followed by the number and en. Elle a 8 ans. Ils ont 30 ans. They are 30 years old. Ils ont 30 ans. Again, we have avoir conjugated in the present tense. Ils ont, they have. But here they are in English. They are 30 years old. Ils ont 30 ans. Finally, j'ai 42 ans, my age. J'ai 42 ans. I'm 42 years old. I'm 42. J'ai 42 ans. So you must have guessed by now, to tell your own age or to tell someone's age in French, you will use avoir, which you see here, avoir, followed by number of years plus un. That's the formula to remember. So you use avoir plus number of years plus un. So how would you say that Harris is 12? Harry a 12 ans. So sorry, Harris a 12 ans. Harris a 12 ans. Harris is 12. Harris a 12 ans. How would you say that Helen is 21? Hélène a 21 ans. Hélène a 21 ans. So literally, Helen has 21 years. 21 years, 21 ans. Hélène a 21 ans. How would you say that our baby is 8 months and 3 days old today? Again, you could use number of years, or you may also use months and even days, like here. Our baby is 8 months and 3 days old. Notre bébé a 8 mois et 3 jours. 8 mois, 8 months, and 3 jours, 3 days today. So, notre bébé a 8 mois et 3 jours aujourd'hui. He is 8 months and 3 days old today. So that's it. That's the formula to remember. Avoir followed by a number plus un, which means years. That's the formula to tell your age or to disclose someone's age. All right. Okay, I guess that's it. There's no more slides. And merci et à très bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.